How to buy a Buffalo Wild Wings gift card online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Buffalo Wild Wings page. Here, scroll down at the bottom, you will find gift cards. Simply click on gift cards at the bottom. After you've clicked on gift cards, here it will lead you to this page. Simply scroll down and select if you want an e-gift card or mail a gift card. Select the one and press on buy now. Here, select the preview of your gift card. Press on next step after you've chose. After you've pressed on next, select the amount and quantity, and if this is a gift or this is for me, and if it's gift, you will need to add your name, who is it to and from who, recipient email, upload an image if you want to, and send later or send now. Press on send now if you want to send now. If you want to schedule, you can click on send later. Press on add to cart. After you do that, you can simply pay and you're good to go. This is how to buy a Buffalo Wild Wings gift card online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.